Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 is also translate to an equation and solve, except this time it involves fractions. It says 2/5 of a number is 16. So let's go through the process. Here's the word is. That's going to be my equal sign, and separate the left side expression from the right side expression. I see the right side expression is just the word 16, so that's just going to be the number 16. The left side expression says 2/5 of a number. So there's no than, there's no from, so what I see is what I get. That's the order that is written in words will be the order in symbols. It doesn't have a sum of, difference of, product of, but it does have the word of. And this word of indicates multiplication. So I'm going to multiply 2/5 by a number. And remember, a number is just the variable. So I would have 2/5 times x, or 2/5 x, and that will equal 16. Since this equation has a fraction, to solve it, first I'm going to clear the fractions by multiplying both sides by the least common denominator. In this case, that's 5. So 5 multiplied on the left side, 5 multiplied on the right side. 5 divided by 5, 5 goes into 5 once. 1 times 2 is 2x, and 16 times 5 is 90. Now all I have to do is simply divide both sides by 2 in order to make the variable coefficient equal to 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1x, and 90 divided by 2 is a clean division of 45. And so x will equal 45.